Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you my favorite high option premium pick of the day, Crtx or Crtx. We'll look at what the company does and why the option premium is so high right now. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my own strategy for entertainment purposes only. Crtx put options currently have implied volatility of 450 to 500%. So the premiums are huge returns, but that comes with expected high risk. By November 11th, they're expected to release news on clinical trials on a pharmaceutical treatment having to do with Alzheimer's, and also they're expected to have a earnings report before the options expire. So let's look at these options. November 19th, expiring, the $55 put, which is just below in the money, having an implied volatility of 485%. Around the 50% return. Crtx Inc. Crtx is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company pioneering upstream therapeutics approaches designed to improve the lives of patients diagnosed with Alzheimer's and other degenerative diseases. The company is advancing its disease-modifying therapy in mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease, in addition to growing a proprietary pipeline of first-in-class small molecule therapeutics for Parkinson's disease, periodontitis, coronavirus, and other diseases with high unmet clinical need. Crtx's lead program targets a specific infectious pathogen called P. gingivalis, found in the brain and other organs and tied to degenerative and inflammation in humans and animals models. The company's causation evidence for Alzheimer's disease and the mechanism of its novel therapeutic has been independently replicated and confirmed by multiple laboratories around the world, as well as published in peer-reviewed scientific journals. September 27th, 2021, Crtx, a company advancing in pivotal phase 2/3 trial in Alzheimer's disease and a growing pipeline of therapeutics for degenerative diseases, today announced that it will participate at the upcoming 14th Clinical Trial of Alzheimer's Disease, CTAD, 2021 conference scheduled for November 9th through the 12th, 2021 in Boston, Massachusetts, as well as virtually. Crtx will present results from its phase 2/3 GAIN trial evaluating the efficacy of its leading small molecule altozaginstat in 643 mild to moderate Alzheimer's patients. Crtx expects to announce top-line results in advance of its scientific presentation at CTAD 2021. Results of the GAIN trial phase 2 periodontal disease repair sub-study also are expected to be announced by mid-November. Crtx today is down a little over 6%, almost at the close. Almost 25% for the week. See, for the year they're up 18.35%, and since about May 9th, up 248%. Earnings coming up on around November 8th. Crtx Inc. is a biopharmaceutical company which engages in the development of commercialization of therapeutics. Its pipeline comprises COR 388, COR 588, COR 788, COR 822, and coronavirus 3CL protease inhibitor. The volume today is 471,000 compared to an average volume of almost 300,000. Market cap of 1.75 billion. 52-week high of 21.98. 52-week low of 26.66. And see at the money put option of 55. See, almost a 50% return with a premium of 26.30, ask of 30. So you can put up $5,500 and instantly get back $26.30. And at the $50 put, you're right at a 50% return at $24.55. A little less as it goes down, but still close to a 30% return on the $20 put. The implied volatility of 466. A insanely high implied volatility of 484%. Volume 59, open interest of 259, so not a whole lot there, but if we scroll on down where it is much safer, you have a volume of 2,096, open interest of 4,618, bid of 510, ask of 520. The day's high was 670, low of 418, so pretty good range there. A couple of days ago I did the 1750 put on this account, was able to get 380. Today's return was 125. It put me back to even. So thanks for joining the channel today. We'll be coming up with more favorite picks and high implied volatility, high premium picks. So subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.